So guys, here is the list of the ingredients which we need to create this wonderful candle. So first we need pure organic beeswax and I'm using 10 grams of it. Then we need 100% virgin coconut wax and I'm using 20 grams of it. Let's move on to the next ingredient, and the next one is shea butter. I'm using 30 grams of shea butter, and guys, the texture of the shea butter is very creamy, and when you rub it onto your skin, in between the fingers or onto your hand, it becomes liquidy and very creamy, guys, very creamy. And since the melting point of the shea butter is around 37 degrees centigrade, so it remains almost in the form of chunks below than this temperature. Now the next one is the cocoa butter. So I'm using 20 grams of cocoa butter, and as you are seeing on the screen that the texture of the cocoa butter is much more creamier than that of the shea butter, and this is because the melting point is quite low than that, and the melting point of it is around 34 degrees centigrade. And you know guys, right now the temperature at my place is around 38 degrees centigrade. And the next one is the virgin coconut oil, and I'm using 10 ml of it. And now guys, it's up to you. If you want to replace this coconut oil with sweet almond oil, you can do that. And here is the essential oil I'm using. It is rose essential oil, and I'm using it in the quantity of 9 ml. If you wish to decrease the quantity of essential oil, you can do that. And make sure you read all the written precautions on the essential oil before using it. Now the next thing we need is a glass jar with the lid. Obviously we need a candle wick with a tab, and now what I'm going to do is I'm just fixing it using my hot glue gun at the base of this jar. And guys, obviously you need a weighing scale to measure all the ingredients which we need to create a wonderful candle. And now guys, finally let's start making our wonderful candle. But guys, remember, here is the very important thing I'm going to share with you all, that you have to follow the exactly same procedure which I'm showing you here. Please do not mix match any procedure by your own. Do follow the same procedure. First we will melt the beeswax and the coconut wax together. After this we will add cocoa butter into it. Then we will add shea butter into it, followed by coconut oil. Keep the heat or the flame low and keep stirring the mixture continuously until the whole process. Once it's done, remove it from the heat and measure the temperature. It should be around 80 to 85 degrees centigrade to add the essential oil into it. I'm using only one essential oil, that is rose essential oil. If you wish, you can use blend of essential oils, or if you want to use any other essential oil of your choice, you can use that too. But make sure that whichever essential oil you are using must be skin friendly. Now keep your eye on the watch and mix the mixture well for about a minute. Now take your glass jar and wrap aluminum foil around it. Doing this process reduces 100% chances of air pockets and sinkhole. So isn't it a good idea? And the aluminum foil which you are seeing on the screen is used many times earlier also. So don't throw it, keep it and use it again and again. Now check the temperature before pouring. It should be around 70 degrees centigrade, and now it is perfectly okay. It's time to pour the wax into the jar. It's the next day, guys, and my candle is perfectly set. And not only it is looking wonderfully beautiful, it is smells heavenly too. So now all the making process is done and it's time to do the massage. So light up your candle, and it will take around 15 to 20 minutes to get the perfect melt pool. Here I'm using this spoon, and why I'm using this spoon, guys? Because using a spoon it is much more easier to bring out the hot melted wax from the jar. And if you too don't want to create mess with your massage candle, please use a spoon. Once you see the perfect melt pool off the flame, and then use the spoon to bring out the wax from the jar. And here is the quick demonstration, guys. So bring out just a little quantity of the wax from the jar and check the temperature with your finger. It shouldn't be too hot, otherwise it will burn your skin. And just few drops works wonder, guys. You don't need much quantity of it. So as you are seeing here that I have use just few drops, and see how smoothly it is running onto my skin. And other than the texture, guys, the aroma is so wonderful, and I'm just enjoying doing this massage, and I hope that you too will enjoy doing this when you make your own candle. So now, guys, as you are seeing that I am enjoying the massage, and if you have enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to click the like button. If you wish, you can subscribe my channel, you can share it with other. But whatever you do or don't do, please don't forget to make this candle and share your experience with me. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.